Hello, it's BenSciandGames. Welcome to another video. Unboxing these Red Galaxy Buds Plus. So, since I open, there's this case. Got these. Red box, shiny box. Oh look, it's a charging case too, so just in case. Just not throw this away because this is a charging case. You can charge this to charge your headphones. So make sure you don't throw that away. It's vital to keep that because that's a charging case. I seen in other reviews they didn't mention it, but yeah, see, this is a charging case, and these Galaxy Buds Plus headphones sitting here and they charge too. That's if they have the case has a charge, but they can also charge wirelessly too. See, it has a light indicator on there. Make sure it's focused. Then it comes with I wish I could hold. I can't hold my camera and unbox this at the same time. Comes with charging cable. Which right now I only have one charging thing. I have two charging mine. But charging cable and 4 ear pieces. So I had to make sure I don't lose them. So four ear pieces. I'm gonna put them back in this box because I might lose them. So yeah, that's that. I haven't tested the Galaxy Buds Plus yet. I got red cool. I like this color. It's my favorite color. So see, focus please. Hey, there's AKG, just like my wired headphones on my S20. So I don't know if they're charged or not. It's so awesome. These will charge on the back of the S20 or S10, whatever which one you got. The S20 and S10 have reverse charging, or you can charge it on a wireless charging pad. So, other than that, it's pretty much all in the box. There was no charging cable, so there was no charging anything, so you had to bring your own charger to charge them. You need your own charger. USB-C charger would work, or a USB-A charger. And a hot fast charger would work as well. I don't know how well the super fast. It probably should work anyway. Super fast charger should work. I just put everything back in the box for now. Just want to record a video. Want this to focus, please. Anyway, I won't put this up, so I'll put this up sometime later today. So I see y'all in the next video. BenSciandGames. If you like reviews and you want to see more, and any other suggestions, put in the comments below. Otherwise, like the video. If you want to consider you want to see more, subscribe and turn on notifications, ring that bell. Anyways, I'll see everyone later. This is BenSciandGames. Log off. Bye.